Terra Classic proposal for USTC repeg to $1 effective, and what's next for Lunc? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. Let's start with proposal for USTC repeg to $1. Terra Classic USD price has jumped 9% yesterday, backed by a strong trading volume increase of over 800%. USTC is currently ranked 67 in terms of trading volume, surprising the crypto community due to the sudden boost. Proposal 12102, the ultimate repeg plan. A community-driven repegging proposal is under voting stage on Terra Classic Station wallet. The proposal's aim is to establish a resilient and community-driven mechanism focused on incrementally restoring and preserving the stability of the USTC peg. The proposal is based on three mechanisms. These are: stakers need to lock a specific amount of USTC along their Lunc delegations to fully earn their staking rewards, and stakers must lock additional USTC when the price of USTC falls for full staking rewards. Also, after the repeg, stakers are not required to maintain the additional USTC balance to earn rewards and allow them to sell extra USTC at a profit. The proposal hasn't received much voting from the community, with 18% yes votes. It saw a high number of no votes at 78.45%. Validators such as Interstellar Lounge, Jesus is His Lord, Community First Lunc, and others have voted against the proposal, believing that the proposal holds no value, whereas Albion Project, Stakebin, and others think the narrative can help repeg USTC. Analyst Javan Marks reaffirmed a more than 5 times rally possible in Lunc. It could take the price to $0.30593, which is post-Terra Classic high. Lunc price jumped 1% in a day amid market-wide buying. The price is currently trading at $0.30109. The massive increase in trading volume in USTC and Lunc are due to buying by futures traders. Total USTC futures open interest skyrocketed 70% in the last 24 hours. Last weekend, Terra LUNA Classic rejected a key governance proposal to prevent the chain's validators from launching multiple validators on the network. Proposal 12101 seeks to impose a single validator rule, which has been called unactionable and pointless by certain validators like SolidVote. While most members agree the proposal to limit validator nodes has good intentions, the strategy would be hard to realize because Terra chain validators can simply ignore the implemented rules. Breaking down the voting results, almost 38% of Terra Classic community members voted yes, while 37% voted no, and another 21% vetoed the proposal. Despite the Terra LUNA Classic community being divided into two camps over Lunc chain validator policy, the embattled Layer 1 altcoin inked 1% gains to trade at $0.30109 as of press time. While the validator limit proposal tackles centralization issues due to unlimited validator nodes, a resubmission of the proposal is likely soon. Coinciding with Terra's malfunctioning stablecoin TerraClassicUSD massive 28% spike to $0.0233, Lunc's price trajectory received a significant boost on May 2nd, scorching above the $0.301 confluent support line after dropping below this decisive price range on April 30th. Thanks to Binance's Lunc burning contributions, the circulating Lunc supply is now heavily reduced, with 5.8 trillion Lunc tokens left in circulation. Binance's latest monthly burning ceremony saw 1.5 billion Lunc tokens destroyed, but the effort was significantly smaller than the cumulative burns executed in April. The 140% upswing in Terra Classic's 24-hour trading volume contributed towards the surge, and Lunc added $100 million to its global market cap since May 2nd. The milestone was followed by an overbought condition on Lunc's trading charts, as this indicator points to 75. Volatility-wise, the tight Bollinger Bands are gradually widening, implying that Lunc price volatility will likely expand in the coming days. Let's also talk about why Terra Classic on the verge of 66% move. Cryptocurrencies turned bearish earlier this week, extending Bitcoin's post-halving retracement and creating mayhem, uncertainty among investors. Terra Classic suffered a big blow, bearing the brunt of the sell-off, which many believed was accentuated by external headwinds like inflation and geopolitical tensions. The token, whose community is working around the clock to rebuild its image following the Terra LUNA crash in 2022, has made significant strides since the last quarter of the year, topping out at $0.30279 in December and subsequently at $0.3025 in March. Lunc price fell below the critical $0.301 support level last month, when a candle wick extended to 0.40's $711. A reflex recovery occurred soon after, but lost steam below 0.30's $12 resistance. Amidst the headwinds in the crypto market this week, Terra Classic swept below 0.30's $1 again, although briefly to collect more liquidity. In the last 24 hours, the crypto market's outlook transformed for the better, bolstered by Bitcoin's surge above $61,000. Terra Classic was up by nearly 4% to 0.30's $105 on Friday, adding to the 4.4% rise in the total crypto market value of $2.4 trillion. Terra Classic's support at 0.40's $8 coincides with a similar rebound zone in February, highlighting the formation of a double bottom pattern. This is interpreted as a reversal pattern whose impact on the price can be substantial. In Lunc's case, the uptrend gaining traction above 0.30's $1 could lead to more gains, a 66% move above the black dotted line. This target is measured equal to the distance between the highest and lowest points, as illustrated on the chart. A double bottom pattern remains unconfirmed until the price breaks above the neckline resistance. Traders trigger buy orders above this level, aiming for a 66% move in the case of the prevailing Lunc price prediction. Now that the relative strength index is above 40 and heading to 50, the price increase could continue into the weekend. Although the 66% is a long-term forecast, short and medium-term movements could prove profitable, especially for traders. Some key levels traders will look for during the weekend include the ability for $0.0001 support to hold steady and the obliteration of the immediate 20-day exponential moving average resistance at 0.30's $108. Besides forming another hurdle at 0.30's $122, the 50-day EMA and the 200-day EMA highlight a death cross pattern. If bulls fail to fight its influence, it could call for more people to short Lunc, thus spiking potential pressure on the sell side. That said, it might be too early to assume Terra Classic is done with areas below 0.30's $1. Another break under this key support could accentuate losses to 0.40's $8. And lastly, let's talk about that the GPT predicts Terra Classic price for May 31st. The cryptocurrency world is always abuzz with speculation about where prices will go next. Terra Classic is no exception, and the popular AI chatbot ChatGPT has added to the discussion with a prediction that sparked interest throughout the community. At the time of press, Lunc is trading at 0.30's $104, but ChatGPT suggests its price could rise substantially, reaching 0.30's $2 by May 31st. This bullish forecast represents a potential 92% increase in its value. It's important to remember that cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, ChatGPT cautions. While I analyze past trends, market data, and various factors to make predictions, these forecasts should never be considered guarantees. Factors like community sentiment, development updates, and regulatory changes can play a significant role in influencing a coin's future price. Despite the inherent uncertainty in crypto markets, several factors support the optimism surrounding Terra Classic. The Lunc community actively employs a burn mechanism, permanently removing tokens from circulation to increase scarcity and potentially boost value over time. Aside from the community, leading cryptocurrency exchange Binance continues to support Lunc with its monthly burn, which enhances the coin's viability to investors. Developers are working tirelessly to revitalize the Terra Classic ecosystem, attracting new projects and use cases to drive demand for Lunc. Furthermore, the Terra Classic network undergoes regular upgrades, improving security, scalability, and overall functionality. Positive signals for a project with long-term ambitions. The Terra Classic community is known for its passionate support, a vital factor in promoting adoption and maintaining positive momentum for the coin. This dedication is evident in their ongoing burn initiatives, active participation in governance proposals, and vocal support on social media platforms. The broader cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving with shifting trends and unexpected events shaping the outlook for specific coins. While ChatGPT's prediction hints at potential growth for Terra Classic, investors and crypto enthusiasts need to remain vigilant and adaptable. So how do you think? Is Terra Classic proposal for USTC repeg to $1 effective? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.